Good morning, traders. Richard Miller here doing a quick point and figure chart analysis of the NASDAQ 100. I've got the 100 by 3 point and figure chart. That means the box size is 100, the reversal size is 3. So that means, let's say, if we look at the sell-off to this trend here, when the NASDAQ reversed, it had to reverse its downtrend by a positive move of about 300 points, and that would reverse from this O, which is a downtrend, to a uptrend, and that's how we mark with these X's. Shows the upside. So each box here is 100 points. So we've now, since reversing at the 12,800 trend line support, point and figure trend line support, the Nasdaq is very close to 13.8 and 13.9 point and figure chart targets, as well as this old high. And if we just want to see where these 13.8, there's another little target there. So it's very, very close to 13,800 point and figure chart target. And we could see a bit of a consolidation or reversal in and around these targets. The next targets are 14.2 and 15,000. So these are quite far away. So there is quite a risk that the market might consolidate this recent rally. And beware of any kind of reversal. Now what you're looking for is a 300-point drop to the downside. Will change the point and figure chart from an uptrend to a downtrend. That means the X here will change to an O in the next column. Now the beauty of point and figure charts are that we don't bother with time frame. There's if the price goes up, it'll be an X. If the price goes down, it will be a 0, and the terms of the box size is 100. So be aware that we're very close to the 13,800 point and figure chart target, and you can see these targets have been set up, this one quite some time ago, and the other targets are quite far away. Now the current trend can last up to 15.5, but I do expect a consolidation. For that target to be activated, we need to break past these old highs here. Let me put a target in there. You can see that target. For those targets to be activated, the Nasdaq needs to break past 13,900. So watch out for that. But be aware that the market is ripe for consolidation in and around these 13,800 point and figure chart targets. Now let's just go and look at a little bit closer to the intraday action. Got a 60-minute point and figure chart up here. 20 by 3 this time, so it means a 60-point move to the downside will start showing the trend change. So that move there, let me just zoom in here. That move there is a 60-point drop, and then a reversal to the upside. There was once again a 60-point reversal to the upside. That's the box size. Now we're very close to a cluster of point and figure chart targets here. We can see we met 13,480, 13,880, 13,820. These are the upside targets on the 60-minute, and let's just see where this one can go to. Yeah, that can go to 14,000. So, but 14,120 is the current upside target, but we do really need to see a breakout past this level here, that level there. Let me put it 14,280. So to get that 14,280 target activated, we need to break past that the 13,860 level, 860 level here. So watch out, we're very close to upside targets, so the market could hit this 13,880, 13,820, and then we could see a reversal or a consolidation in and around these moves. Yeah, if we zoom out a little bit, we can see the price action. So the risk is that this rally is quite a long rally. So there is a consolidation reversal risk in and around these targets. But so far the trend is still up based on point and figure. You can look at these 45-degree angles. But watch out, we're very close to targets. We're about to hit 13,820 and 13,880. So these are the upside targets that we can hit over the next week or two. And be aware that we can see a consolidation as soon as we've hit these targets. So the Nasdaq is at a risk of a consolidation because we're getting close to key targets. But so far the long-term picture is still up because the 45-degree angle of the point and figure chart gives you an idea what the long-term trend is. But so far so good. Watching out for those reversals, watching out for the price action in and around the 13,800 to see if the Nasdaq will consolidate after hitting those targets. Until next time, happy point and figure chart trading. Bye for now.